Are you ready to be transported to another world? Well, get ready to experience the future of entertainment right here in Las Vegas. The MSG Sphere is not just a venue, it's a technological marvel that will completely change the way we experience live events. Imagine being able to see your favorite artist perform on a stage that's also a massive high-definition screen, feel the bass thump through your entire body, and be completely immersed in the action. It's all possible in the MSG Sphere. In this video, we'll take you on a tour of this incredible venue, exploring its mind-blowing features and giving you a glimpse of what the future of entertainment might look like. So get ready to have your mind blown and join us as we dive into the amazing world of the MSG Sphere. The MSG Sphere is a one-of-a-kind entertainment venue that is currently under construction in Las Vegas, Nevada. The project is a collaboration between the Madison Square Garden Company and Las Vegas Sands Corporation, and it promises to be a game-changer in the entertainment industry. At its core, the MSG Sphere is all about creating a fully immersive entertainment experience. The venue is designed to transport audiences to another world, using cutting-edge technology to create a fully immersive environment. With a diameter of 500 feet, the sphere-shaped structure will be the largest spherical building in the world. It'll feature an incredible 19,000-person capacity and will be fully equipped with the latest audio, visual, and sensory technology. One of the most impressive features of the MSG Sphere is its massive high-definition screen. The entire interior of the structure will be a screen, providing audiences with a 360-degree viewing experience. With an incredible 157,000 square feet of high-resolution display surface, the screen will be able to display a variety of visuals, from lifelike performances to breathtaking landscapes and beyond. The audio technology in the MSG Sphere is also something to behold. Using a combination of beamforming technology and an infrasound haptic system, the venue will be able to create ultra-realistic audio experiences that are felt as much as heard. The sound system is designed to provide an immersive audio experience that completely envelops the audience, making them feel like they are truly part of the performance. But that's not all. The MSG Sphere will also feature a range of other technologies, including augmented reality, virtual reality, and more. The venue is being designed to be fully customizable, so each performance can be tailored to the needs of the artist and the audience. In addition to its impressive technological features, the MSG Sphere will also be an environmentally sustainable venue. The structure will be powered by renewable energy sources and will feature an innovative water recycling system that will reduce the venue's water consumption by up to 50%. Additionally, the venue will incorporate advanced lighting systems and smart building management technology to optimize energy efficiency. Another exciting aspect of the MSG Sphere is its potential as a hub for esports and gaming events. With its high-tech features and customizability, the venue could be a perfect fit for large-scale gaming competitions and other esports events. The MSG Sphere is also designed to be a destination in and of itself. The venue will feature a range of restaurants, bars, and other entertainment options, making it a place where people can come to socialize, relax, and experience the future of entertainment. With construction currently underway, the MSG Sphere is set to open its doors in 2023. We can't wait to see what kind of amazing performances and experiences will take place in this incredible venue. The MSG Sphere is not only designed to create an immersive experience for audiences, but also to enhance the performance experience for artists. The venue's technology allows performers to interact with their fans in ways that were never before possible, such as using augmented reality to create unique interactive visuals and effects. This interactivity could lead to entirely new forms of live entertainment that are yet to be imagined. The MSG Sphere will also be an iconic landmark in the city of Las Vegas. The venue's unique spherical design is a standout feature, and the venue's LED facade will be visible from miles away, creating a dazzling light show that will add to the city's already vibrant skyline. In addition, the MSG Sphere will be a major job creator for the region. The construction of the venue has already provided thousands of jobs, and it's estimated that the completed venue will create thousands more permanent jobs, including roles in technology, hospitality, and entertainment. Finally, the MSG Sphere is not just a one-off project. The Madison Square Garden Company has plans to expand the venue to other cities around the world, bringing its cutting-edge technology and immersive experiences to audiences across the globe. This expansion could change the face of the entertainment industry and create new opportunities for artists and audiences alike. All in all, the MSG Sphere is an ambitious and exciting project that promises to be a game-changer in the world of entertainment. We can't wait to see how it'll evolve and what kind of new experiences it'll make possible. The venue will be one of the largest indoor concert venues in the world, with a seating capacity of up to 20,000 people. This makes it an ideal location for major concerts and events by some of the world's biggest stars. It's being designed to be a truly all-encompassing entertainment experience. In addition to concerts and events, the venue will be equipped to host sporting events, corporate conferences, and other types of gatherings, making it a versatile and flexible space. The sound technology in the MSG Sphere is state-of-the-art, with over 150,000 individual speakers designed to create a fully immersive audio experiences for audiences. This advanced technology will allow for unprecedented clarity and precision in sound, creating an experience that truly transports audiences into the heart of the performance. One of the most exciting aspects of the MSG Sphere is its potential for live streaming events. With its cutting-edge technology and advanced sound and video capabilities, the venue could be the perfect location for streaming live concerts, sporting events, and other experiences to audiences around the world. This could make it possible for people in far-flung locations to enjoy the immersive experience of being at the venue without ever leaving their homes. All of these features and more make the Las Vegas MSG Sphere an innovative and exciting project that promises to push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of entertainment. We can't wait to see what kind of amazing experiences will be created in this groundbreaking venue. Madison Square Garden Company has partnered with some of the biggest names in technology to make the MSG Sphere a reality. Companies like Samsung, Cisco, and Amazon are all involved in the development of the venue, bringing their expertise in areas like audiovisual technology, networking, and artificial intelligence to the project. The MSG Sphere is also designed to be environmentally friendly. The venue will use energy-efficient LED lighting and will be equipped with a state-of-the-art air conditioning system that is designed to use up to 50% less energy than traditional systems. The venue's construction has also been designed with sustainability in mind, using recycled materials and minimizing waste. The MSG Sphere will be located near the Las Vegas Strip, putting it at the center of one of the world's most popular tourist destinations. This prime location will make it easy for visitors to experience the venue's groundbreaking technology and immersive experiences, and it will likely help to draw even more people to Las Vegas. Finally, the MSG Sphere promises to be a truly unique and unforgettable experience for anyone who visits. With its stunning visual displays, state-of-the-art sound technology, and interactive experiences, the venue is sure to be a highlight of any trip to Las Vegas. Whether you're a music lover, a sports fan, or just someone who loves new technology, the MSG Sphere is an attraction that you don't want to miss. It's not just a passive entertainment venue, it's designed to be an interactive experience for audiences. The venue will feature a number of cutting-edge technologies that will allow visitors to engage with the performances in new and exciting ways. For example, the arena will be equipped with a haptic floor that can generate vibrations and other physical sensations, creating an even more immersive experience for concert-goers. Overall, the MSG Sphere is set to be a truly revolutionary venue that will change the way we experience live events. It's a bold step into the future of entertainment, and we can't wait to see what incredible performances and experiences will be possible in this amazing venue. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the incredible Las Vegas MSG Sphere. As you've seen, this groundbreaking venue promises to revolutionize the world of entertainment, offering audiences a truly immersive and unforgettable experience. With its state-of-the-art sound and video technology, advanced interactivity, and stunning design, the MSG Sphere is set to be one of the most exciting and innovative venues in the world. We can't wait to see the amazing performances, events, and experiences that will be created in this incredible space, and we hope that you'll have the chance to experience it for yourself someday. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. And feel free to leave a comment below letting us know what you think about the Las Vegas MSG Sphere. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.